The legendary Honda CBR600RR returns for 2020. Ever since the CBR600RR rolled onto the scene back in 2003, it has become the standard for 600cc supersports motorcycles. Featuring top-of-the-range technology, motive-inspired aerodynamics, and the perfect blend of performance and handling, the CBR600RR is an exact racing replica to dominate the streets on. Dual-stage fuel injection. 2 sets of injectors per cylinder ensure both low and high RPM performance. You get near-instantaneous high RPM response, along with great low RPM metering and clean running. Dual-stage ram air. A nose-mounted 2-stage ram air system provides a high volume of cool air to the air box for linear power delivery and superb engine performance. Honda Multi-Action System (HMAS) inverted fork. The HMAS cartridge fork features an exclusive internal piston construction. The innovative design employs smaller diameter pistons to keep oil velocity high for improved damping characteristics and an expanded range of adjustability. The result, you get more precise suspension performance, especially over smaller surface irregularities. Centrally located fuel tank. The CBR600RR's 4.8-gallon fuel tank is positioned in the center of the chassis and low in the frame. This allows for a more compact design, but even more important, helps centralize the bike's mass. Increased mass centralization means the CBR is more responsive to rider input, especially when leaning the bike into a turn or standing it up at the exit. Unit Pro Link suspension. By eliminating the frame-mounted top shock mount, Unit Pro Link isolates the chassis from bumps, resulting in more precise handling and better traction. Developed on Honda's championship-winning motive bikes, it's a perfect example of the CBR's superior engineering. Radial-mounted front brake calipers. The CBR600RR uses radial-mounted monoblock front brake calipers. This construction makes the caliper stiffer, and that means you get better brake feel for more linear, powerful stopping. Each caliper also uses 4 chromium-plated aluminum pistons for smooth friction-free operation. Twelve-spoke wheels. With their consistent rigidity and balance, these sharp-looking 12-spoke cast aluminum wheels work with the fork and enhance suspension feedback to deliver real handling improvements. Electronic Combined Anti-Lock Braking (CABS). The available electronically controlled CABS distributes brake force over both wheels, helping to maintain braking confidence in less than ideal conditions. The system electronically measures rider input on the brake lever and pedal and applies only the front or rear brake in some cases, or combines both brakes in other situations.